guys! It's Tuesday morning. Baba's getting ready for school. Just waiting for the bus. Say hello. Hi. Tapos we're waiting for Caitlin. She'll be driving herself to school, guys, kasi she got her license and she got her parking pass sa high school, guys, yesterday. So she's gonna be driving, and she is already driving by herself. So see you guys later. Dalawa na lang. Ayan na, guys, ready na po. Ready na. Slow lang. Tapos na yan. Over easy lang siya. Sausage, guys. Dito na yung bus ni Baba. Good morning, good morning. There's Baba. Say hi. And then there's
I'm putting my next to skin. I looked up what it is.
What is it? Go, Baba, hurry up! Ayun na yung bus ni Baba. Ang bilis ng panahon. Katapos kong walking sa treadmill, linis. Ay, ano yung ano na? Sinabot ko na ito. Dapat dyan. So, ayan. Pagkatapos kong walk ng 30 minutes, maglilinis naman tayo ng cat litter ng mga pusa. Kasi ang dumi niya na, guys, as in. Yan yung poop. At saka pee. Para hindi bumaho yung ano. Gaganyan mo siya, guys. So yun lang, guys. Tapusin ko muna to. So yun lang, guys. Tapos na po tayo mag-exercise. Mga 40 minutes din yun. Gagawa naman tayo ng breakfast. Maglalaga po tayo ng 2 itlog. And then siguro para pa more. Sabay na ko na nga palang lagain yung yung itlog tapos yung pansit kanto. Nagugutom ako, guys. Spicy tapos meron pa akong blister. Sakit na naman. Na yung ko. Yung pansit kanto na spicy. Naku, sakit to sa sa dila kasi meron akong singaw. So, day off ko nga pala ngayon, guys. Yung mga anak ko nasa school, yung asawa ko nasa work. Kami lang ng mga aso, mga pusa at aso namin ngayon. Na-overcook ko yung noodles. But anyway, kain muna ako, guys. I'll see you later.
You're going somewhere.
I'm going to Baba's. Hey.
I don't want to go to my dentist appointment. I already brushed my teeth, so I don't need to do the thing with my teeth. Right? Yeah, I brushed my teeth. Look at the outside, guys.
So guys, nandito kami sa appointment ni Baba. Waiting. Baba. Dental cleaning niya, guys, kasi every 6 months may cleaning sila. Every 6 months. Kami lang dito tao. Wala pa rin kasi magsara. Guys, katatapos lang ni Baba ng dental appointment niya. Next Monday is meron siyang tatanggalin yung tattoo niyang ano yun ba? Baby teeth, Baba? Baby tooth? Yeah. So sa Monday naman yung appointment niyan, guys. Tamang-tama day off ko. So ayan. And now we're going to Bumo. Bibili kami ng gatas at saka ng ng asin. So see you later, guys. Healthy guys. Baba's play.
You want to see healthy, guys?
This Brad. Itong plate ni Caitlin, guys. Yung akin, guys, may rice. Rice. So, mine, guys.